This is a beautifully restored 1957 Chevy Belair, two-door post body style, black with red interior, absolutely stunning. This vehicle is equipped with a 350 small block Chevy with a Lingenfelter fuel injection system. That's a multi-port system with a 5-speed TREMEC transmission. Really nice drivetrain. Check out those wheels and tires. Foot on the gas. That's a hot start. Lingenfelter multi-port fuel injection system. Really strong runner. Tilt wheel, which is pretty cool to have. There's your 5-speed shifter. That's a Hurst shifter that's on there. Multi-port fuel injection small block. We have a nice pair of mid-length headers down in there. Front power disc brakes. Nice aluminum radiator. Heater core hooked up. In this 57 Chevy Belair, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have about 80 plus high resolution pictures of it, including pictures of the undercarriage. You can see how neat it is under there. There's lots of new body bushings and suspension bushing parts under there, so be sure to look at those pictures really closely. And if you have any other questions about this vehicle, please give us a call. We're more than happy to help. Again, that's carsrememberwhen.com.